Minister in charge Arts and Culture Lingdo today laid the foundation stone of the Tagore Cultural Complex at Rilbong, Shillong. Addressing the gathering, Lingdo said Shillong is not just a name, a city or an address, but it is a hub of culture, an icon of civilization, drawing the attention of the audience to the time when legendary figures like Rabindranath Tagore, Gurudev Tagore, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and many more had visited the hill state. Lingdo said it is not only befitting to remember the Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore, who wrote 3 of his books while he was in Shillong. Lingdo expressed pride in Shillong's artistic contributions despite its modest size, acknowledging the birth of numerous classics in arts, music and poetry and literature. The government's vision for the cultural complex is expansive, envisioning it not only as a haven for local Tagore enthusiasts, but also as a platform for global cultural exchanges between Shillong, Dhaka and West Bengal.
And completed his Hebrew literature, his magnum opus, in 1936. Therefore, friends, Shillong is not just a name, a city, or an address. It is a hub of culture. It is an icon of civilization.
The absence of a health center in